Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to play Hard Rock Bet app using a phone. Let's get started. First open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. To place bet, you will need real money in your account. Tap deposit or tap on your account. From here, you can check your deposited money. To check that, you need to log into your account. Next, pick the sport or game you want to bet on. You can choose from football, basketball, baseball, or other events. Tap the image to see the betting options. It will appear in a bet slip at the bottom of the course. You can add multiple bets if you like. In the bet slip, type in the amount you want to wager. You will see your potential winnings based on the odds. If available, you can tap Profit Boost to increase your potential winnings. This is optional, but it can make your bet more exciting. When everything looks good, tap Place Bet. It will confirm your bet, and all you need to do is watch the game or check back later to see your winnings. And that's all. You know now how to play Hard Rock Bet app on the phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.